it's Niamh here in Tully Nurseries and welcome to another YouTube video. I can't believe we're coming up to the August bank holiday weekend. We've lots of colour, and behind me, for a change, you can see all our autumn grasses, autumn spring grasses. So we're spending a lot of time at the moment. The tunnels have cleared out and we're potting on our colour for this winter and following spring. But don't fret, we still have lots of colour for now. So we've lovely late summer colour, including, look at this beautiful Alstroemeria alvera. I just look at the different colour tones. I think that's lovely and classy, lovely and soft. Brilliant for cut flowers in the garden centre, and they're supported as well. Really nice Delphinium Black Knight. Here we have Amelia Jane Penstemon. I love the depth of the colour, it's beautiful. This is called Cosmea Constance. Lucifer sold out very quickly, but that's quite intense as well. For being a lollipop really like this, I've this planted myself in my own garden with Buxus balls. We've nice echinacea, beautiful bobos. So remember hydrangea, the paniculatus, bobo is very popular in the last few years, and we're using it actually up our avenue coming into the nursery, so it's really nice. We have a whole line of bobos planted. As you can see, rhubarb and custard. So check out the list because we've about 6 varieties of Hebes, including green globe, which I really like. And sorry, I don't have any to show you today, but again, here you have Pinky Winky, really nice 7.5 litres. So we're coming to the end of our hydrangea paniculatus. For the autumn, we have really nice Fatsia Spider's Web. I always think of Halloween when I see this plant, but we do have it all year because it's so popular. So we've lots of late summer colour, also autumn colour beginning to appear in the list. Have a great weekend, and up Cork if you're watching the hurling on Sunday. Thanks.